Join me as I dive into the effects of antibiotics on gut health and see if I can turn my gut around in just 1 week. Did you know that antibiotics can disrupt your gut health for months after use? Let's explore how this affects you. In this video, we'll discuss the impact of antibiotics on your gut microbiome and why it's crucial for your overall health. Many people take antibiotics without realizing the potential damage they can do to their gut health, leading to issues like digestive problems and weakened immunity. Antibiotics are designed to kill bacteria, but they don't discriminate between good and bad bacteria, which can lead to an imbalance in your gut microbiome. This imbalance can cause a range of symptoms, from mild discomfort to serious health problems. Your gut health is closely linked to your overall health, and taking antibiotics can have far-reaching consequences. Antibiotics can disrupt the delicate balance of your gut microbiome, causing some bacteria to overgrow and others to be killed off. This can lead to a range of problems, including digestive issues, allergies, and even mental health problems. The effects of antibiotics on your gut health can be long-lasting, and it's essential to take steps to restore the balance of your gut microbiome after taking antibiotics. We'll dive into how antibiotics work, what happens to your gut bacteria during and after treatment, and the symptoms you might experience as a result. When you take antibiotics, they start to kill off the bacteria in your gut, including the good bacteria that help to keep you healthy. This can lead to a range of symptoms, including diarrhea, bloating, and stomach cramps. Your gut bacteria play a crucial role in your overall health, and taking antibiotics can disrupt this balance. The symptoms you experience after taking antibiotics can vary from person to person, but common symptoms include digestive problems, fatigue, and brain fog. Your gut health is closely linked to your immune system, and taking antibiotics can weaken your immunity, making you more susceptible to illness. The good news is that there are steps you can take to restore the balance of your gut microbiome after taking antibiotics. Discover the surprising ways to restore your gut health after antibiotic use, including dietary changes and probiotics that can help rebalance your microbiome. Eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of fiber, fruits, and vegetables can help to restore the balance of your gut microbiome. Probiotics can also be an effective way to rebalance your gut bacteria, and they come in a range of forms, including supplements, yogurts, and fermented foods. Probiotics can help to restore the balance of your gut microbiome by introducing good bacteria into your gut. This can help to alleviate symptoms such as digestive problems and weakened immunity. In addition to taking probiotics, there are other steps you can take to restore your gut health, including reducing your stress levels, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly. To wrap up, remember that taking care of your gut health is vital, especially after using antibiotics. Understanding this can lead to better health choices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.